Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. How many people have walked on the moon as of 2025? 12. What is the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. What is the study of the moon called? Selenography. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. Who is the chairman of ISRO? Dr. S. Somanath. What is the Latin word for moon? Lunar. What is the name of the aircraft in which Neil Armstrong landed on the moon? Apollo 11. When does Moon Day occur? July 20th. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Rakesh Sharma. What was the first Indian satellite to be sent to space? Aryabhata. What is the name of India's first lunar mission? Chandrayaan-3. What is the launch date of Chandrayaan-3? July 14th, 2023. What is the full form of PSLV? Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. How long does it take for light from the moon to reach Earth? 1.3 seconds. Why is International Moon Day celebrated? It is celebrated to commemorate the first human landing on the moon. In which year did Neil Armstrong land on the moon? 1969. Apollo 11 was the dash spaceflight that first landed humans on the moon. American. How many natural satellites does the Earth have? Only one satellite. Name the calendar based on the moon. Hijra calendar. Which element is found in abundance on the moon? Silicon, Si. Name the Greek goddess of the moon. Selene. The moon is expected to be dash years old. 4 billion. How much gravity does the moon have? 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. During any given year, the moon travels around the Earth for a maximum of how many times? 13 times. What visible portion of the moon is visible from Earth? 59%. Who is leading Chandrayaan-3 mission? India's rocket woman Ritu Karidal Srivastava. Why do we celebrate Moon Day? We celebrate Moon Day to commemorate humanity's first steps on the moon, inspiring future generations and promote the peaceful exploration and use of outer space. What is the distance between the moon and the Earth? 384,400 kilometers or 238,855 miles. What are the primary gases present in the moon's atmosphere? Helium He, hydrogen H, neon Ne, and argon Ar. When Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon's surface, who stayed in the aircraft taking control of it? Michael Collins. Who was the first Italian scientist to observe craters on the moon? Galileo Galilei. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Antariksh Bhavan, Bengaluru. Who was the project director of Chandrayaan-3? P. Veeramuduvel. Which country's spacecraft was the first to touch the moon? The Soviet Union. When was Moon Day first celebrated? July 20th, 2022.